Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 5 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in this left section to find additional settings. Now let's enter date and time, and as you can see, here we've got some options which we can customize, but we cannot set the date and time manually. It is because we are using network provided time. So let's turn off this option and simply tap on date. And as you can see here, we can simply scroll in order to find the proper date we want to set. Here you can also use the Chinese traditional calendar if you want to, just by tapping on the switcher. So let's confirm it with OK, and the same situation with the time, just tap on it and by swiping pick the time you'd like to use. So I'll pick this option. And as you can see, it will actually immediately appear on the status bar. Under it, we've got the time zone, so we can freely tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of all available ones from which we can choose. So let me pick randomly, for example, this one. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied. Be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Under it, we've got also the time format, which is right now automatic, so it is based on system language, but we can use 24-hour format or 12-hour format, so you can manually simply decide what you want to use. So let me pick, for example, 12-hour format, and under it, we've got the dual clock option. You can turn it on or off just by using this switcher, and here you can pick the second clock, I mean the area from which the clock will show the time. So basically this is the whole customization of date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings. Just pick the automatic option. Here we can just go back actually, or find the time zone you'd like to use and tap on the switcher to use network provided time. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your Xiaomi Pad 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.